I thought I'd just show you my little friend. Where is he at? Always, when I pull the camera out, he always shows up. There he is. What should we name the bird that is always on the camera? He's right there. Then he's going to climb up to the highest branch. Subscribe. Mark Morris, we're here on a nice sunny day in Redlands. I'm showing you how this bird gets attention. You know how he gets attention? You see, look at them. They know when they're on camera, man. They show up quick. They're coming. And they said, not only do they show up, hey, let me go to the highest branch. There's one who goes to the highest branch. Hey, there's another one. He's starting to make his move. There's 1, 2. See how he goes up to the higher branch there? And then there he is. See? There's another one. So now you got 1, 2. No, it's just one flying around. Subscribe. So look at it, man. Gotta get attention. One. And there's one right there. Let me see if I can get him in the view. He's hard to get. No, there's one. There's another one. They keep moving, so now they're together. Make sure learn how to get attention. Those birds get attention. They've been for the last day or so flying around, till finally, see, they got my attention. I said, man, what's going on with these birds? They seem pretty hyper. Hey, Martin, put us on film, put us on your YouTube. So there they are. They'll get on the YouTube. They get more attention than people getting laid off, more attention than people getting fired, more attention than Chuck Schumer. The birds are getting more attention than Chuck Schumer. They're trying to get rid of Chuck Schumer. These birds are out here like that. Get attention. Nothing else to say. Do you want to learn how to get attention? Subscribe.